All right, this is the art hostel.
Keep left to stay on Alexandra Walk.
What are you? I'm ready to go. I've picked up dinner supplies for a couple of days and I have a good tailwind. I'm leaving Launceston. Time to refill the bottle. I have actually found the Tasmanian trail for the first time. What do we do? I got a tent. $18 at Kmart. Where I'm going to sleep tonight. In the hammock, right next to the water. Not in the backup tent, which is over there. Looks clear to me. Breakfast by the creek. 10:30. I'm heading that way up to Liffey Falls, and then from there there's a trail that continues up to a road, and then from the road there's a trail that goes to a summit. We'll see if I can do it. I think that's our objective today, but it's in clouds, so hopefully the clouds will clear. $11:45, made it to the car park. Lunchtime, crumbly sandwich. And substantial hazards. Ha! I'm definitely in. I'm tired. It's after 12:30 and I'm only halfway to the next junction. Obviously I'm high enough that I'm almost in the clouds. And I'm sweating a lot. That should be enough. We're going that way. Up. A lot more up to go. 700 meters from the point. It's now 3:15, so I'm at my cutoff. So unfortunately, I can't go any further because I could get lost up here really easily. So I'm going to turn back at this stage and hopefully get the hell out of these clouds.